This is week 3, lesson 3. Yesterday, you shared your plan with your group. Today, you're going to continue to explain ideas to improve our school by writing and narrating a newscast. We are going to continue to practice the language that we learned in weeks 1 through 3. Your target today is to be able to use those can, could, and do plus want to formulate questions and ask for what is needed to make your school improvement plan better. So when you see this, you're going to use your language log, which is connected to your document in your Google Classroom. So this is the document you're going to use to write. When you see this, you're going to speak out loud. When you see this, you're going to write. And when you see this, you're going to share your work on Flipgrid. So let's go ahead and reflect on our plan from yesterday. Think about what family or classmates told you. And if you have not listened to the feedback from classmates, pause this video now, go to the Flipgrid, and review feedback. Once you review your feedback, I want you to think about my plan is good because, or my plan has. You could also add about what your plan needs to add or what you need to include. You are going to write this sentence, a complete sentence, and share it on our Google Classroom assignment for lesson 3, week 3. So today you are going to talk about things we need to make a change. So in my example, we are going to start a recycle club. So things we need to start a recycle club. I made a chart and I said things that we need from teachers, adults at school, things we need from other students, or things we may need from parents. Some things we may need to start a recycling club from teachers is a place to meet, permission to start, bins, passes to go into other rooms, or maybe even jackets or vests. Some things we need from other students could be asking them if they want to join. We may need students to make banners, spread the word, and we also will need students to recycle. Parents, we're going to need you to let us stay after school and see if you can help with the recycling at home. So these are things we need to start a recycling club. You're going to think about things we need to do your plan. So what do you need for your plan to be successful? We're going to start by asking what we need. Do you think we can? Could we please? Do you want to help? So, do you think we can work together this weekend to make a list of things we need? Could we please borrow your paint to make some posters? Do you want to help us carry out our plan by making posters? Take 1 minute and practice saying these questions out loud. Once you have practiced saying these out loud for 1 minute, we are going to go ahead and talk about now, brainstorm things that you need to make change. So you are going to use the writing log in your ELD Google Classroom assignment to think about things we need to start a whatever your idea is. So you are going to try to get 2 to 3 ideas in each section. So we need to have 2 to 3 ideas in each section. You're going to pause this video to write your ideas or type them up in your note catcher. Be sure to use the note catcher in Google Classroom. Your note catcher looks like this. I have my example right here. And in the next part where it says your work, you are going to write things we need to start you're going to put your idea here, and you're going to type in here things that you might need from other adults at school, other students, or parents. Now that you have practiced sharing or writing your things that we need, it is your turn to go ahead and think and practice asking those questions. Do you think we can? Could we please? Or do you want to help? So you are practicing asking for those. One thing you can do is pause the video and write your questions. Finally, boys and girls, after we have practiced asking questions and written out those things that we might need from school, teachers, other students, or parents, it's your time to take it to writing. So now we are going to practice writing. You are looking for 3 to 5 essential things you will need. I will need to make invitations for students and parents. I will need to find enough recycling bins to use around the campus. I will also need to find markers and paper to make banners. You're going to write this down in your notebook and then type it in the note catcher that you will turn in with your assignment today. Finally, I want you to share your ideas. So share your thinking, share 2 or 3 things that you decided you needed, and practice asking those questions on Flipgrid.